The senior spotlight shining brightly tonight, and the curtain calls for all three seniors, Shannon Smith, Saisha Goree, and Nicole Elmblad. They finish off their careers here at the Chrysler Center in style. An 81-50 victory here for Michigan. With Brenda Van Langen, I'm Lisa Byington. What impressed you the most about the way Michigan got it done?
Well, they got it done by getting everybody contributing, from the freshmen to the seniors. Everybody was involved, whether it was the half court, the transition game, inside out, dribble penetration. They scored in so many different ways, and it was a great way to send the seniors out on senior day.
They scored exactly half of Michigan's points here tonight, 41 of their 81.
And Goree got things going inside, as she always does. Shannon Smith, the playmaking guard, gets to the rim. Then she passes to Nicole Elmblad, who tied her career high. Elmblad with the hustle plays, the block, and drawing the charge, and then the beautiful high-low pass to Goree. And a good look at their numbers, 19, 17, and 5 points, but contributing in so many different ways, and each a unique story, making this a very special senior night in Michigan.
Kudos, too, to the freshman Caitlin Flaherty with 19, the junior Madison Ristovsky off the bench with 15. But the story was the curtain call and the way these seniors ended their career here at Chrysler.